Okay, that's what is my name. The legendary Sarah Zawede. Yana inzo kunjagalanga gwe kabere nawe. If anybody ajukira oluyimbo olwo, please vakulujja. So abaddewo for some time. Buli kimu akikoze gwali ku Urban TV tuyinza kungamba nti bwe tudda mu classics oluyimba terusobola kujjira mu bwongo bwo abamu twalukozesaako nga ringtones like later naye nga alina ekipya kyemumanyiko nti alina album alina band bagiyita Zawi band erina bookings nno unfortunately y'omu ku bakyala ab'eddoboozi tosobola kukola bandi nga microphone mu ddoboozi mubijjukira mu bato tujja kutukawo naye atubuuliremukko katono. Sarah Zawede. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
I'm good. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. It has been long.
Yes.
Obadde ombuzeeko.
Kati twesanze.
Where have you been?
Badde busy.
Busy. I know.
Badde busy nga bandi empuuba, but I'm around.
You are around. Soka obuze ku bakulaba Okwamanyi TV.
Mbabuuze mu Luganda mu Luzungu.
Kyonna kyoyagala.
I'm so happy to be here. Actually, I think it's my first time on Urban TV. Yes.
Ever since where you are?
Yes, it's my first time to be on Urban TV. Urban TV viewers, I'm so happy to be with you tonight. You feel free to ask me any question, show me some love. It's been a while. Era nsanyuse nnyo okubeera wano.
Alifa abasinza okusanyuka reason being lwe tutuula n'abantu nga mmwe ababaddeyo mu industry. Tulina kye tubayigako. We take your guidance. So critical netumanya nti kino tukikola mu bukyamu kino kirina kukolebwa bwe kiti ne tulaba n'ekipe kye muba mutuleetedde. Obadde oli luddawa? Obadde osirisemu?
Yeah, mbadde nsirise in terms of mainstream music. Mbadde ndudde okurecordinga. Mbadde more of a performing artist than a recording artist. Bandi yo bw'ogenda mu bandi onsangayo I've been in band day in day out. Bandi ebeera ne rehearsals. Ebeera ne rehearsals nyingi tezikuganya kufuna space because abantu betukubira baagala ebipya almost every week. Yeah, but now that the band is settled, njitereezeza nga bwe njagala, band etuuse weetuuse, abantu batwagadde, the Zawi band is doing fine. I'm back to Sarah Zawede as a singer.
It is Zawi
band.
Yes. So when you come to the mainstream, you Sarah Zawede. When you get a band, it's Zawi band.
Kati nkomyeyo nga Sarah Zawede omuyimbi wammwe. Wali mbadde mu band with a different kind of setup. Eri mu band tebambuza kipya, they just love beautiful music. Guitar bwesuna, engoma nevuga, that's it, they just love live music.
Okubye wuwo oba wa mulala.
Exactly. Mu band tukubaniza abalala. You know, we play African music, tukubeza Juliana, eza Irene, eza Shiba, eza Cindy, everybody's music. Naye wano nga nze omuyimbi omu. Nze nkomyewo okubaleetera something new.
Something new.
Yes.
Let's have a flashback kubana abali ku Urban TV nga it's their first time. Nyimba zibadde bazuulira but seeing you in an interview. Nga baagala okumanya. Sarah Zawede, when do you penetrate into the music industry? Watandikirawa wavaawa?
Basically, natandikira mu Coca-Cola competitions. Twalimu ne Basindi, ba Jackie Chandiro.
The pop stars?
Yes.
You're a product of pop stars?
Yes, I'm a product. Yes.
Okay.
Actually, yali Capital FM, yatuleeta on board, ne tugenda mu competition. And that time I was among the top 5. I got a lot of support, by the way. Naye bwe namala competition ezo ate nesooka ntuula because nali simanyi kye nnina. Then
first hold on, meaning the Capital FM Coca-Cola Pop Stars yaleta the stars remain standing up for long.
Yeah, later Blue 3.
Later Blue 3. Yes. We see Cindy, we see Julie, Lillian, and we see Jackie Chandler.
Yeah, that time actually Juliana yali one of our judges.
Wow.
Joanita Kawalia, no mwami mulaba mwita Timothy Bukumone. They were strict. Beba tuyigiriza how to go with about live music.
Oziyingira ovaawa?
Never nowhere. Nali Makerere University. Nali nsoma.
Wali osoma.
Yes. Then nempulira about the competitions. Ningamba, why not?
Wali osoma ki?
I did a Bachelor of Music.
Okay.
At Makerere
So nolabanga it's the best opportunity?
Nali nyimba from primary. School, nali Kitate Primary School. I was a good singer. Ngandidinga nyimba zona almost.
Oli
Kitate Primary School.
Ogiwa Irene Intale.
naye abo bato
era musigala muliba
bato. I was in Kitante Primary School and Makere College yasinga n'okunzijayo musically because twalina those music competitions ezakabi ezo Makere College. Kati bwe nayingira university ate era nenyingira music. So from that time nembeera nga ndi interested. Kati nga ndaba Irene bayimba wo jam session National Theatre naye nga ffe tetunnatuuka kuyimba. Irene Nambiru.
Okay.
Namwegombanga nnyo nga ngenda mu jam session.
Irene Nambilu, Juliana Kanyomozi, waggulu ku ggwe.
Of course, those are legends, man. So I'm
talking in terms of age.
I don't know about their age, by the way. Oizo sanga Irene Juliana batusooka okuyimba. But we were young.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think omuntu okubeera nga yakusooka music. Ayinza okuba kati olaba omwana nga Rema Namakula. She started nga fena tumulaba ka baby nga alina otutama otuviri otumpi naye kati oyinza omulaba ng'omukyalo omukulu. Yes, she's a baby. So naffe twatandika tuli bato abaana ne balooza maybe twali bakulu ba.
Okay. So ozoyingidde
so when nayingira ezo competitions and I was supported nali among the top 5 nengamba wow. So nensooka ndaaza then around 2006 ng'eggwako awo nensinkana Silver Kyagulanyi.
Okay.
Nangamba, why don't you 2006 ngegwako?
Okay.
Nangamba rush to ofuna oluyimba n'oluko. Nemugamba nze siina sente nangamba no Sarah mu nsi muno ekiteri kintu kya bwerere. Look for money, come and I write for you a song. Nangamba ku nsi kuno buli bango oyagala ekirungi, pay for it, there's a price to every good thing.
Okay.
Nga neuba ku mwami Kyagulanyi. Ngenda okulanga mpandikira yasooka kwanika oluyimba lwe bayita Ndi Mukazi. That's my biggest song, I think.
Some capella.
Ebizibu by'omukazi bingi, emigogo gya maama nga mingi, nze ndi mukazi manyi nsirikidde bingi. That was my first written song.
Okay.
Yes.
Tunalooza kwewandiikira.
Wakati awo nga mvudde mu Popstars. Nze ne Mr. Mosh twakola kolabo.
Moshi ki?
Mr. Mosh.
The politician right now.
Yes. We have a collabo bagita You Got My Heart. Abantu no bagikubira ddala.
Okay.
Yes.
And Mr. Mosh yomusanga.
Mr. Mosh because mu Coca-Cola Popstars yali around us a lot. Nga abeera nnyo. He was singing. Mosh yali very good singer nga kuba raga nga kuba biki.
Mu Jamaica.
Yes.
Oli Konko.
Yes. Era my first song yali R&B. Okay. You Got My Heart. Net of shooting on a video, but now again I'm archives ogenda giraba. Okay. Yes. So I was silver bwe yajja n'angamba.
Tukyali mu 2005 2006.
Kati awo 2000. Between Coca-Cola zaali za 2324.
Okay.
Yeah. Then awo wakati nensooka mpummulamu. But around 2005 Mr. Mosh nange ne tukolayo ki? Oluyimba wadde balwagala but terwagenda. So mu 2007 my first song is when it really hit. Mwami Kyagulanyi yaluwandika 2006 ng'eggwako, but 2007 lwe lwafuuka big. That was my second song, Kambere Naawe. Album ne tukaaya naye tugamba tugituuma Ndi Mukazi oba Kambere Naawe. Now, Ndi Mukazi was a powerful song, but Kambere Naawe was a catchy song.
For the lovers.
For the lovers. However, Ndi Mukazi antutte for a longer time. Every year nkolera abakyala emikolo functions for women.
And every
NGOs,
situation a woman is put first.
Yeah, it's a bigger song, but more silent. Kati Kambere Naawe n'alyoka akwata nga simusuubira.
Watambula.
Nga simusuubira.
Nga buli w'obeera eggulu erikutambulirako.
Mama wange n'atukesa n'angamba oluyimba lwo lufuuse anthem. Lufuuse anthem e Uganda n'engamba
nga gw'oli ludda wakugamba
nga wendi. Yes, nga wendi nga sibitegeera. The calls became many. Ne banteeka ku shows ne nkatendraisingira international artists. Ezo zi Silk Jam nga ffe tuliko.
Which international artists were raising jam at that time?
P-Square, I was there. Okay. Nze nali curtain raiser, like the biggest curtain raiser. I got a very huge.
Nga musigo batekamu akatone bakateekamu mu kabox akatono. Nga bakuteeka walinga munene.
Ne shows endala zonna kebe Eagles, kebe bands enene, my face used to be big there because the song was so big. The song was so big. Nange sabisubira like we went all over Uganda. Twa Uganda yonna ng'otuuka eggulu. Ne bakwanirizanga star ng'otuuka e Masindi. Western region yo yanjagala nnyo, by the way. Western region, I don't know, for some reason banjagala nnyo. Everywhere in Uganda we were loved, genuinely. Love yaffe teyaliiko kupushinga oba TikTok
kupostinga.
People loved us. I have witnesses that
definitely balina kubuza how was love from the fans at that moment, because these days we have people they pay sasula postinga sasula
the love people had for us is that our songs were deep. I'm not saying banotebalina deep music naye kati oli wayimbanga akayimba nekakwata ku munne, like the message was deep. There are so many people abansanga paka kati nasikayo senda ngamba kwata $10 mukazi wange yanzikiriza because of your song. Mukazi wange namukwanira. Yes.
No, your song now. Like waliwo aba testimonies nti lwagatta abantu right now they are married.
Yes, I have so many couples abangamba nti your song kwe nakwanira mukazi wange. Every time I meet them I feel like cry. Yes, up to today weddings bampa rakambiri now. Like every wedding I get someone is like that song. I don't know, it got so huge, and up to now we still yimba era bangamba tona yimba yizo yimba nyimba 10 ne bangamba luli oluyimba lwetwagala. So that's how big that song was.
A little bit a cappella of that song. Nakakubye mwana nga tusandikana eri ade dobozi lyage siryo.
Okay, of kambere nawe. Yanya izo kunjagalanga kwe kambere nawe. Oyina okunziramu.
Okay.
Yanya izo kunkumanga kwe
kambere nawe.
Yanya izo kumpananga kwe
kambere nawe.
Yanne binonchi byenina mu bulamu bisinga
kambere nawe.
Oh.
Unfortunately bime byange.
Baby bye.
Simanyi wana tukyabanonya.
No, but anyone can sing.
Anyone can sing. Yes. But wabaira we change awolo mu dobozi ly'omuntu n'olyanga is still very different. Okubye kambere nawe ofunye bookings omuntu asobola okwebuuza kambere nawe biki byewamufunamu apart from the bookings abana bakubaza hit one.
I got a lot from, I'm still getting from kambere nawe. Up to now kubanze band baba bagipangisa base Sarah Zawede kambere nawe up to now. Twajinza chikiriza. Up to now, I get bookings because of one song like this. Yes, because they associate waliwo abanda abakulira ku nyimba zange bo bagamba nze njagala you have to sing that song on my wedding. So bookings etufuna esinga, that song has got a lot to do with the bookings.
So it crossed from being a hit to a classic song.
Yeah, you may call it a classic. Though, one thing I don't understand, I even sometimes post and I'm like, what do you people like about this song? Ranemo Kutegera. Because the band can play 50 songs. Then when I reach that particular song, audience nature can about what? What? I try to ask myself, Chichi echari murimboro, chibaya galenyo paka kati. And when Silva was writing that song, namugambo bugambo ngabutini. Sibutegeera ngana mama nenga bambi
obuna yabuteekamu kati gwe ngomubuuza
of course I didn't ask him, I respected him. Nagenda n'atuulaawo nangamba sing like this nanga mama bambi nengamba what's this kasibitegeera okitegeera enyimba endala ezaddako zonna nga nziwulira zirina ebigambo zindoola zindi mukazi zinasima gwe oli omwana ng'owulira ebigambo bitambula naye kano kalimu obugambo buli so limited, but from the first day the song stepped on radio it became beautiful.
So here we're giving the credit to Silva Kyagulanyi. Who produced the song?
The Ngonis, AD and Pato.
No.
Actually babadde
mu kikadde.
Enyimba zange zonna album eyasooka be bazikola. Ndi mukazi Rachel Nondula kambere nawe.
They had that good touch.
Gwe. Yeah, bali batutegeera, those guys were really good. Baina listening here. These are the kind of producers nga nebo baina sente ng'oluyimba tebalu feeling nga bakugoba. Sibi ebyaleero jangu nkuyisizeemu genda. Yes, ate fe wetwayimbira it was real production. Real. Nga sigobulira producer ekyokola. Producer nga yakuproducing. You don't tell him the track, you don't tell him the style. Otuuka wali ye yasalawo the style of the song. Now the beauty of that time, narrator yabeeranga mu studio n'atuulaawo.
So you want to tell me with a busy schedule Silva Kyagulanyi abeera nayo wali okola oluyimba he was there?
Sat in the studio for all my songs that he wrote. Era no oli omwana nafuna ndabirira like six
songs. So naye abeeranga mu studio.
Yes.
How long did the Kambere now take you or producing a studio?
It was a long time, almost months, because Silver writes with basita feelings, emotions. Chovala benyimba za Silver zonna ziri so huge. Ekintu kyawandika kiva ku mutima. Muyinza okujja leero nakugamba, I don't have the second line to the song.
Hey.
Yes. Nagamba, come and pick. Come and we continue writing. Muyinza okwandika verse emu mwezi mulamba. Yeah. At some point, I got so angry. I was annoyed. I was like, I paid. Why isn't this guy giving me my music? Silver yawandikira Kambere nawe ndowooza emyezi gyawera ebiri.
2 months.
Yes.
Awandika Kambere nawe. Every time I hear ekigambo ku kigambo.
Yes. Ngayinza okwandika nabi crossing anagamba, no, you're not singing that. Nada. Every word in my song.
No,
I won't disclose that because it I answer though, but it was for me that time because nani nakava kusomero. I felt like it's a lot of money. But imagine the amount of money zenfunye mu Kambere nawe.
Yeah.
For 10 years, same song, and I'm still earning. And Chemanyi ku Silver, every word that is in a song that he writes, kazibezi nabikoa. Or Irene Nambiru, what was the song? The beautiful song, Irene Nambiru, Kuechi. If you listen to Kuechi Munange, every word in Silver Kyagulanyi's song makes a huge contribution to the song. The songs have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Ngazili planned. Sometimes tugenam studio ngabi tukubye. I'm not going to mention names. And they're like, ndimo vibe, take a line. Trust me, those songs won't last.
Yeah.
Mujazizi nida ko mwezi, but they won't last. All the classics that tuimba mu band, kazibeza frigo, katinze ndimo over an old school person. Sagala band abana bato naye bakubachikadde. Abana bange bakubira olimba lwa frigo noloza bebaluyimba. That's the truth. I'm sorry, I'm not posing around, but that's the truth.
That's Bajita Zawi Band.
Zawi Band ejja kukubira oluyimba nga bwe producing because it's real music. We choose real music. Bajja kuba nkuwechi, bakube nabikowa, bakube all the old nice songs. They're special. They're special. Normal government aban ekere kumache kube all the old songs you compare to the new ones.
Yeah.
Sagala bayimbi banange bakolechi. But the fact is,
but you're telling them the fact.
Yes, there's that music that used to make people smile, used to make people fall in love, used to make people dance. Even now, what programs end up with some TVs, and I sit there and I'm like, wow, Jukida Kaimba Kano, Jukida, they are deep.
They had a message. The record content was rich.
Yes. Okay. The lyrics,
the production,
the arrangement of the songs, what can I call it? The rhythm. Basically, it's music for the soul. Kati maybe nzizeyo kuddamu nti wambuuziza lwaki mbadde nduddewo fulumya ennyimba. Those are some of the reasons. Nina ennyimba nga 10 easily unproduced, unreleased.
And you're looking for the right producers.
Every time I do a song and finish it, I go back home and say, I don't like the song. I'm like, if I don't like the song, audience tegenda dwagala. Paka finally, when I Olimba last year, that song was written by...
So you fall in the category of Maddox. Maddox has failed to kuza kunyimbas.
Because it doesn't make sense for you to release a song and people literally criticize it kubanga si lulungi terufaanana na nyimba zewayimba
before.
Nze Uganda kyemmanyiiko nti nabawa hits ennungi kati nze okujja ne mmala gafulumya ennyimba zensanze ku TV mugenda kunvuma mugenda gamba oyo abadde ki
tugenda tuuka waawo Sarah.
Yes.
Tubadde tukyali wano tumuvinga ono Silver Kyagulanyi agenze mu studio ngoni babikoze byonna ongambye okuwandiika just okuwandiika it was 2 months. Then studio
also took time because one thing I remember about AD and Pato, bless them, I hope they watch this program. AD and Pato are the kind of producers Tony eddoboozi ly'okwola bwe banfuba kugoba. Your voice is supposed to sound the same from the first...
Like yesterday.
from the first what is it called? Party so Kamariyimba. I've forgotten the word. From the first part of the song, you're supposed to sound the same into the chorus, into the next part, up to the end of the song. Buli lwe bakuwuliranga ng'eddoboozi likyuseemu nga bagamba go home. Ton gy'obawa.
Tebakuwa chance nti ddamukko bagamba go home.
Yes, they would give you a chance, but they would feel it. They would feel it. You know, and these guys would listen to every word of the song. Buli kigambo walina kiyimba mu feeling yakyo. Bwe mba nyimba ebizibu by'omukazi bingi, emigogo gya maama nga mingi, and I'm sounding like I'm happy. They would tell me, oyimba bizibu oba oyimba ssanyu. Weetereze. They would give you a break in the studio. Genda weetereze. They would give you a chance. Bwe balabanga you've gone to the studio 5 times, kiganye nga bagamba Sarah, go back and come back. And remember, every time you come back, you're spending transport, you're spending time kati goyina okuddayo eka. Weetereze. The kind of studio we had our days was real rehearsed studio. You go to studio when you have a sober mind. You go to studio when you have a sober voice. Oyina n'okukola some kind of exercises, voice training. Gatona yingira studio. Unlike now, nyinza ova mu gigs mukago gw'ekiro ne ngamba kanyingira studio. Yes, because I feel the vibe. But remember, your voice has alcohol.
Obadde straining, obadde ku stage.
Yes, your voice has alcohol. You've been in noise. Your ears are not so proper. The sensors of the ears. Amatu galina sensors ezo zimanyo okufa. You know, the nerves. The nerves of the ears have to be clear. So those are some of the things that the musicians need to take serious. Yeah.
Okay. So Rimba Rufurumi.
A friend of mine, Lillian, told me, Sarah, genda itawa. Nemugamba why? Because she escorted me to pick the video.
Or audio ya furumada?
Audio. Zafurumina almost the same.
Okay.
Zafurumina almost the same. I remember my first time okujayo Limba nalu playing some place nayingira akafawe entinda. Nembuza DJ. Of course first time nabo tebabitegeera nendumuwa nalutekawo mu ka computer. Then just a few days later nenkwata video. The video also took time. Yalina ebizibu byayo.
Bizibu ki? Kasete tewali?
No.
Akwata video tebali batono?
Yakwata video naye yangamba saagala kyompadde. Maze okujjayo enviiri engoye oluusi engoye tuzisala like balusaze busazi balutunze oluusi ka outfit oba kabadde biki nangamba Sarah there are scenes ze twakoleddemu. We had a scene in National Theatre gye nali ku piano onolaba video yakambe naawe eyo scene nagikola ku National Theatre neefa ng'olwedde enviiri nzijjeyo 2 weeks later ne bangamba scenes zaafudde olina okuddamu okushootinga video.
Bw'ina osiba enviiri zennyini ze wabaddemu?
No. Bangamba come with the hair you have. Era kyobola video erimu braids ne curly hair. Nali maze video yali yakwera na braids zoka. Then nenkola video wange obuli nomo. Era kakaviri abala bakasiba nnyo because of the video.
Of you?
Yes.
Okay.
Very funny curly hair. So nenzirayo nensiba ka hair. And we shot the video again. Elvis, Radio 1. Omumanyi, he was among the people directing the video. Thank you, Elvis. I hope he watches. Elvis oyo wa Radio 1 yali omu ku producers ba video nga bali awo bangamba no, we want this, we want this, we want that. They were
so
really good.
In your time when mwayimbira we had so many babayita ba perceptions nga kintu bakikola nga bwe kiba kiganyi teba moving on.
Yes.
Paka nga kintu kibagala kyekivudde.
Yes. If it takes 3 months to release a video, you are going to shoot it for 3 months. Because there is something they are looking for. There is something they want. Something that...
Olonga competition mujikola mutya gundi afulumiza nina okufulumya.
Munange kankusese. Our time, there was nothing like competition. We loved each other so much. Nze show zisinga natambulanga n'abayimbi bameka waliyo cute kaye. Actually at some point ne bamunjagaza.
Tugenda kutuukawo.
Atwazza nawe byamabega. We used to move. Two-man Chibalama.
Two-man with a two
Rocky Giant.
Rocky Giant.
Cute kaye Priscilla Kaliba. Nga bwe batuwa gig we go in the same car.
Ninga different management.
We didn't even have managers. We just people just nga bakubira simu Sarah tukwagale Masaka St. West come Ngobuza Kayigwe bakwise, yes, bampise. Ngobuza Priscilla Kalibala bakwise, Rocky Giant, Two Man. Those, I remember those are the artists that betwatamula nabenyos. At some point nalinga ne desire luzinda na ewe yajira. Ngamubuza tugende eno ngamba yes tugenda Mbale. So are we going together? Yes. We loved each other. Tetwaina competition. Now the fun was mweno genda ku stage ne muchankalanye kisaawe. That was the fun.
Okay.
Two Man nabakuba ekisumuluzo. Twaina ne I think Ronnie Banton that time gana yaja nabakuba ofuseka una. Buli ajaya kaina awo Two Man nasumula tekayo ekisumuluzo daddy ne batabuka. Kaina jayo zenji maze emekwano jinkesi awonezya yani ayinza okunjagalanga gwe man.
That's love.
It was fun. Like it was fun. Nga move back to stage mwenda ne muyingire mu motoka. It was fun because all we wanted is to make that particular show nice. Nga fenna tuchikubira wamu ne basanyikira wamu and that was it.
Okay.
And we'd all get paid well and that was it.
Olwoze oyimbye paka diro stepping a little bit back nogamba mainstream kasoke.
I remember it was 2013. That was my worst year musically.
2013.
Yes. 2012, 2013 were my worst years musically.
Why?
Because natuke sina ngandaba oluyimba lwengenda okuzza kuzina ennyimba zonna nga ziri heavy. I used to perform about 6 songs non-stop nga zonna abantu bazimanyi.
Now you sing along.
Yes. Imagine between 2007. How many years are those?
2007, 8, 9, 10, 20.
Those are 5 years.
Like,
and you're not yet bringing a song bigger than your music. It was a bit frustrating. Nebampandikira wenyimba nengenda mu different studios nenkola chi. I have a lot of songs you will not imagine. Nengamba naye no sigenda fulumya chintu chibi just because now that's the time when I saw the Remas. Omuntu yasinga oku sija kuita kanga, but the most challenging artist I ever saw was Rema Namakula.
Azze mwana muto. It was Alina.
She was young. The first time I saw her on TV with Bebe Cool, I was like, wow. There's this song. There's this first song, Jaimba Bebe Cool. What was it? Season Sickles?
Season Sickle. Yeah, Season
Sickles.
Love letter Irene in a baby.
Wow, who is this little beautiful thing? And she was with a nice voice. She's young. I'm like, Tuyimba Bichi, you know? Actually, Nengamba no.
Choyagala okungamba Rema yakuletera to judge yourself at that moment, that time, where period.
She brought me to think harder about my music. If Rema is watching, she should know this. I've never told her. Simugambanga. I've never mentioned this to anyone. It's the first time I'm mentioning. Rema Namakula is one of the artists that actually made me start a band.
Hey.
Like, yes, I'll be honest. Now, like I started realizing that now the music has changed. These are young and they're good and the voices are nice and I'm like, wow. Umanya kananga kalabika bulungi, kayimba bulungi. Wow. Nengamba no. There's a way I should stay relevant in the industry. I remember very well, Umchala Halima Namakula Nemukubila Nemuga mama. I'm looking for singers. Yes. I'm looking for singers. Halima Kwekunde Teromwala Bamita Jemima, she used to train.
Sanyo?
Yes. That was the first girl I worked with in Zawi band.
Okay. Jemima Sanyo, yes, I remember.
We started a band. We trained and she was powerful. And I'm like, yeah, this is it.
Zawi
band. Zawi band is registered as Zawi band.
Okay.
Nga Halima Mfunya Jemima. Then there was an SMS company. Isaac Barasa. I hope they all watch this because I've never told them this. Isaac ngamba Sarah nzenkuba best. Nga kola SM it's called SMS media.
SMS media.
Yes. Ngamba Sarah nzenkuba best nga ali ku desk ya today because I had gone to. No. It was official. Nalingenze twala nyimba zange bino betuziteka.
You're registering egende mu collection.
Ngamba Sarah, by the way nkuba best. Nemga really. Ngamba and I have my 4 friends. They can play instruments.
We
conversed about it. That was the beginning of the Zawi band. And people started loving the band. Ningamba, oh, wow. Because personally, I trained for live music. Coca-Cola, I studied music. ndi trained for live music nengamba why can't I go to my comfort zone jensobola okukwata omuzindalo nimba powerful
than competing n'abaana abatabazze oli mu myaka emeka gye twogeramu by then
kati bontunuulira olaba ndi memeka yeah, because when you look at me now, actually, in the funny bit, you look young. Why? No, do you know why? My name is bigger than me. Amanyaga febaga ulira. Nga bote banna tulaba. Okitegera. Ye bwaba yawulira erinnya dda. Alowooza oli mukazi mukulu okolokoota.
I know.
Even today, this guy Musaze nagamba, are you sure you're the one? Nejo naise ku mukazi banene bamugamba n'abagamba temunimba oli mukazi mukulu munene muwanvu nnyo mukazi mukulu temunimba ono muwala muto and I'm like well because nkyebaliza mukama but also because bambi abasinga tebatulabangako
I know
you know they hear bwe bawulira olimba campaign naye bawulira ng'olwo emyaka 5 emabega kitegeera nali ku camera agamba but anyhow nebaza mukama that Ugandans still love me and the band is now big.
So you start the band no difficulties olabye abaana bato bazze Rem has changed your mentality mu Ndongo.
I think my best decision in my whole music career is to make a band. The moment when I ended a band, my life changed. I got peace, I got comfort, and I got comfortable where I am.
Kino tekyakuleta okugetinga comfortable with the band. Mainstream okujerabira tekya.
Bamaze kunvuma nnyo. Yes, like Sarah, you have to release music. You people, what? Industry mujisudde. I've had a lot of issues.
Bagamba industry mujisudde mutia.
Bagamba tujisudde because they think we had something good to give. Netuchebakira. Someone told me, you're cowards. You let these young girls and boys come and take over your space. No, everything has its time. But guess what? My band bookings are better than zokubera ku CD. Curtain raising, with band you're doing corporate functions. You're not fighting with any artist. It's the band, it's the sound, it's omuntu going competing and is my guitarist and my drummer.
How much competition is worthy at the moment?
Right now I wouldn't say that I'm in competition with anyone because bands really won't or no. Yeah, I can't say I'm competing with a Frigo band though.
Ngamba mokuva mainstream, ngamutia competition y'abaana music bafulumya leero enchana erulinga teza mwatwalanga mwezi.
Okay, the thing is, kino kigenda sounding very funny. Oba abamba inzo kuchira bange kiri impolite. The truth is, nze mbadde sobola kufulumya luyimba lwempuliranga terunyuma. Si kunyuma kokka. Us who honestly cutting as yasoma music. When I release something bad, you're going to criticize me. Ogenda gamba naye Zawede biki bino byayimbye. The fear wasn't the artists. The fear was for those songs ezigenda okujja nga zisanyusa abantu nga zirina amagezi n'amakulu.
Unlike today.
That is why oyinza okuloza Maddox. Kati oyinza okugamba ni Maddox at your competition?
No.
Maddox buli w'omuteeka ajuza. Maddox is one of the people who will sing live music. Ne bw'omujja mu tulo asobola okuyimba live music. So who is he competing with? Maddox is competing with himself. I am competing with myself. I'm competing with the old Sarah go alaba mu 2007. My competition is myself. Mbadde negamba, how do I bring back to Ugandans what the Sarah they saw?
Oli Sarah bamufune mu generation empya nga ye Sarah yini gwe bamanyi.
Yes, with better music. That my competition was me. That is why nagamba bwe nalaba abaana bano nga bazze. Nenneze mabega nenneebuuza, how best can I fit in without competing with them? Kati nze waliwo artist nabadde mu show ku actually my first time to be on a public show yabadde ku Christmas. We were at my Merito Hotel. Zawi bandi yabadde ekuba before these other artists okuja. Kabako najja. Kabako bwe yazze.
Bola.
Nengamba. Okay. Kikino bulijjo kyemmesinga. Because me, fe bandi ebadde ekuba mu ngeri ndala nnyo.
Yajemuko ku saati?
yagijjamu ate yajja ne mukyala we nga mukyala we yeki
Domuna?
yes she was the camera lady, she was the one shooting videos.
Okay.
Kabako
Najja audience.
Kabako
najja ali mu kapale kampi
ng'ali mu shots n'akyankala ekifo abuuse agenze no negamba kati nze Sarah negamba now Zawede kati bino so bikola you know but I can stand on my microphone and deliver. Okay. My power is in my vocals. I'm not a good performer, I'm not a good dancer. Kabako's power is in performance. Yeah. I respect that because achankalanya audience negweddalu. So we are different artists. That's why I don't compare artists. Okay. Rema is a vocalist. That's why I'm comparing a Shiba. Shiba is a performer. So that's where Uganda Wachi was a battle, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, but some are performers, some are vocalists. Okay. However, we have vocalists, but very few. Very few. Munsi yonna bw'obuuza ne bakubuuza nti tulageyo vocalist nga performer. Uganda tulinamu? I think Cindy is almost there. Okay. I really feel like she's one of those artists. Who can perform I know power vocally and she's a good performer. Okay. Kubanga this time round ku Bato, she had just given birth. Omukazi nakawere. Bw'aba asobola pulling off those strokes. So it's hard. You'll find Juliana is a very powerful vocalist. Juliana Irene Nambilo is one of those vocalists who actually also have very good performance. Rema Namakula. Rema doesn't dance. Okay. She dances proportionate to as in it but you won't find her dancing like Winnie Nywaji. Okay. However, Winnie Nywaji is also among those artists abaine dobozi atenga bazina. Can't you take on Winnie Nywaji on stage? If it's a beautiful competition, I can. Jebaita beautiful competition, it's musical. Entertainment. Okay. Music, netugamba, let's go, do our rehearsals, to abantu, real music and performance. Why not? So see, walo unhealthy competition, kulaga kuogana kwevumaku, you spoil. Kati awe nkubuliza, battle between Shiba and Cindy, wajirabocha. Was it a beautiful competition? Was it kweragako? To be honest, well, it was good for the female market of the music industry. Kyatuyamba nnyo okusitula abayimbi abakyala. However, at some point kyagendanga ekyononeka mu katini, but well, at the end of the day bagamba it's about money. Wow, bombi. Yes. Kyovala nkugambye waliwo competition eri musical ya sente oba ya brands. Now we had a bit of damages for some of the brands is already in competition, and we had serious damages. At some point, people started okusawansa abayimbi abamu because of that competition. Yet these artists have been around doing something good. Then because of this battle, walabanga ebimu babassemuko katono kiba kirina kye kikuggyako ng'omuyimbi. However, that passed ne bafuna akasente kaabwe. So they're good to go. They're good to go. And I think I think Chifunamu Yasindi because right now she's fully booked, and abayite bamutegeera ko bamutegeera. Fabali bamanyi to mine because I've been with her from the competitions already, and me I know her strength. Cindy manyi power ye. I've ever rehearsed with her. I know her power when it comes to live music. Naye mwe abana Uganda abamu temu concentrating on ku live music performers. So this was so good for Cindy. Okulaga abantu nti live music is actually more powerful than CD performance. Okay. Yeah, kati chovola momo tugamba obuze because temu concentrating ku live music. So for Cindy yatuchikirira about live music. Okay. Yes. So I'm saying with Team Syndicate. No, Shiba is my tight. She's my friend. But there's a lot. I give credit where it's due. Where it's due. See, Shiba inabya singa bayimbi ba Uganda banji. Shiba abadde consistent. That's one. Abadde on charts for a long time, which is hard. Okay. Oyinza okuba ine dobozi but being on the charts. See, Shiba has been on charts more than Cindy. Yeah, true. Nga bwe baba balaba Ugandan music bwe badde tambula, this girl has had a position for a very long time. Your credit here to Sir Jimmy Japo. Shiba's performances are up those ends. Bwe oyagala real performance, you'll hire Shiba. Her dress code is what her fans like. She dresses for them to kill. She dances with the passion on stage. Siso wa chimujjako.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, Zawede. Obadde mu bandi. What has triggered you? No gamba. We're going to go into details for this song. Okusinzira ku wotubulidde emabega bye wakola mu nnyimba ziri. And right now you're bouncing back to the mainstream. Band yes, obadde ne bookings nga meka mu week.
This week we have the whole week.
The whole week is badly booked.
Yes. Up
to
Monday first. Yes.
Mainstream okomyewo lwa akasente olaba abaana bakulyako fame oba olaba erinnya ligenda. What has made you bounce back?
Actually, the band is paying me better than mainstream. Why? Because originally jaku jump a million satu nga Shiba aina hit.
Yeah.
Automatically, it's not about money. Shiba will get her 5-6 million, and they will say Zawi taina ruyimba. But for the band, I'm paid highly because it's a band. I'm paid highly because mbawa a full band, mbawa entertainment hours nya, or maybe jata so yakuwa. Yes, the band plays for 4 hours.
4 hours.
And an artist in Uganda cannot play for 4 hours. So my worth in band is bigger.
It's bigger. Then yes. What brings you back to the mainstream?
What brought me back in the mainstream is band etuse wenjagala. I wanted to train the band to grow into the band I wanted. I told you, even yesterday I told someone, I look up to the Afrigo band. Ye band in Singida, Uganda.
Of course.
Afrigo band is my best band in Uganda, and njagala Zawi band to level nti bwe kube ekintu bagamba, yeah, the Zawi band is playing right. Kati mpulira naatera band inetero tukawo. So I didn't want to cheat the music industry. Mwandabira mu CD. Najira mu performance. Najira mu recording artist.
Yeah.
Kati a recording artist mbadde musuuliride almost 6 years. So I told myself, finally I'm ready. But that wasn't because of just kuyimba. It was because I got the song I wanted.
It has taken you 7 to 6 years to get the right
song
song
I wanted. Yes.
Olumba luwandika ddi?
Olumba nolumazeewo omwaka gumu n'ekitundu. Twaliwandika mu COVID. How long ago was COVID?
You're talking about COVID.
Yes.
Long ago, because that was 2020.
Yes.
2019 inga agwa. Then in 2020, 2021. Emyaka ebiri awo. Tujibale emyaka esatu. That's when still you had oba luwanika mu COVID atenga namu wafuniramu ko ebizibu. Because we remember.
Nali nakawona went. Then someone played that song, and the person who wrote it, Nimugamba, that is the song that is going to bring me back. Yes.
Okay. Ani alwandi?
Hanson Balirono is the writer.
I saw you guys were tight. Nga buli wamu mbeera mwenna. Mwali muwandika luyimba.
But that song wasn't mine. Nangamba Sarah, don't even think about it. This song was already bought. Yes. Nangamba oluyimba luno twaluguza dde omuntu sigenda dukuwa.
Who?
Zawede Ayogedde muyingiza mu interview.
No, just
but she's a very good person.
Yeah, no.
They wrote it for a lady. No duyimba naluyimba. Nengamba Hanson, this is the song that he's going to bring me back.
Sarah, do us justice. Just to know to gama kerinnya limu.
Amelia.
Namara.
Yes.
Okay.
So, Nemugamba, this is the song that is bringing me back to the Ugandans. Hanson Nangamba Sarah, don't think about it. This song is not yours.
All along Hanson Mwandis.
Yeah, he's a good writer. Judith
Babire, yes, nga backup
yes.
I remember
them writing.
I remember namukola ko interview mu studio.
So, I waited and waited. Paka lumumba waka. Hanson Nangamba Zawi, bring your bones here. Of course, to joking about
I know.
Bring tambula yitawo yangu tugenda ku studio. The song is yours.
That's after a year.
That's after some weeks.
Some months.
Some months. Yes. Now we went to studio and that
the
song,
original
she's a very good person and she likes me. She's like, no, Sarah Morimba. Because she said Sarah will sing it better than me.
I think that's a good day.
Ngano doyimba luyimbi. Nagamba no. Sarah
Nenga tana lufulumye nalucha mu studio.
Yes.
Okay.
Nagamba olulimba Sarah jaddu kuyimba odonsinga mulumuwe. She gave it to me.
Ategera tanti lulimba abadde olwagala.
bamugamba nti Sarah oluyimba lwa lwesibyeko. Bamugamba oluyimba lwa Sarah lwesibyeko. N'agamba mugambe Sarah oluyimba lwange ndwagala. Ne baddayo ne bagamba Sarah oluyimba lwesibyeko. She's like, okay, give her the song. Then I went to the first studio. Oluyimba era nalwo nalukolera mu studio emirundi ng'etaano. Lwalimu ebigambo bya COVID. Kati nga n'okuddamu funa co-writer asiimulemu ebintu bya COVID.
Okay.
Addemu awandike lines.
It's now moving on after COVID.
It's one of the most beautiful songs I've finally loved.
Who's the co-writer?
Unfortunately, I have to ask Erinya Omwana Mwirabide, one of the upcoming writers, but he just put 2 lines, but they were powerful lines because line ibiri zinza okutooliyemba.
True.
Yes. So, finally, we changed studios ne tudde wa Bawa.
Okusoka mwali mu studio.
Twali wa Enobits.
He
gave me, actually, that song has 2 versions. I have the GT R&B. I have a very slow version. Forever.
Forever, okay.
I have a slow version. Beautiful slow version.
You are Enobits.
You are Enobits.
Enobits Okwamanyi.
Yes.
Gravity.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a classic. It's beautiful. Ejaya kalobozi bulungi. It's soft and nice. Jajikozesanga ku functions is really slow. But when some other people listened, they said, Sarah, oyagala kudda, togenda kudda mu slow music. Soka okuba abantu ekintu. Ne bangamba the best person agenda okujjayo ye Bawa. And he did a good job.
Okay.
He did a good job. I hope Ugandans love the song because then
tugende mpola ku luyimba olwo Sarah tugende mpola ogenze. How long did it take you in the studio because ongambye oluyimba lwatakinga a full year for you to send kati kituufu lweru then mu studio because bwe tuzide emabega ne tulaba nti ziri karo tutewa
studio versions nina nnyingi. Let me tell you, me I've suffered with music in terms of kunfuna luyimba
kituufu.
Nze nkwata oluyimba ne nduplaying emirundi 10 bwe mpuliramu line emu gye saagala olwo luba lubi gye ndi. N'eddoboozi lyange okyukamu kati mu luyimba olwo sirufulumya. And that problem has happened for these years. 6 years.
Olwo kintu kiva kusiba Kyagulanyi kye yakolera mu kusooka.
Kiva ku kiki kye njagala kye mpulira nti omuyimbi ndi muyimbi gundi. Me giving the people what I'm not. Mba mpuliranga eyewadde eyepunishing nze ng'omuntu mba neekozeko self-distraction. Nze sijja fulumya luyimba olw'okuba music ajjudde Uganda temundaba ku TV no. Njagala nfulumya akayimba kange kamu.
Kasitenge for long.
Yes. And this time round, nayagadde ne video ekyukemu so that I step up.
Okay.
I can't wait.
It's out today.
It's coming out today. And it's going to be launched on your TV. Urban TV is going to launch my video. I can't wait. Naluyimbisiza feelings zonna nenzimalayo with passion.
Ziri zonna ez'emabega ezali mu bakyutikaye.
Yes. I sang it with one heart. I tried so hard to make both people happy, the young and the old. It's a very decent song. Terina message eyesiwaza. And it's a love song. Njagala kuyimbira bali mu love mostly. Njaba fulmiza abagolao. Bakolere embaga. So yeah, that's it basically.
That's it. Okay, oluyimba olufulumiza. There's a way you people are coming back. Wali mu same competitions with the Blue Theory.
Yes.
Nje bakola mu Blue Theory. Recently, they
came back.
Gwenge yaliko nabo in the same competition. Ne batuka ne baawukana. Now bouncing back. How do you see this?
Actually, I was supposed to bounce back before COVID. Fetwa tugenda obera mutugende mu kikadde oye yasooka.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
after COVID.
Yes, but no, before COVID.
Before COVID.
The week we're supposed to start rehearsals is the week they closed down.
Sorry.
That was going to be like the comeback, people to see me after a long time on stage. But that happened and it passed. So needs another chance. I know they will call me back. They're not bad people. Nze ng'omuntu njagala kuddira mu band night. I'm planning an anniversary for the Zawi band. Tugenda myaka 7.
So olinda mwezi 10.
Actually, bobala from 2013, Jamaica.
Okay.
Those are almost 10.
10.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so njagala nkole ekintu nga neekomyawo nga Sarah for recording artist. Nga again n'abantu balabeko ku band kyekola. I'm preparing for that.
Okay. So anytime soon we expect a concert from Sarah Zawede.
Yes.
Okay.
A concert abadde banoonya, those who are wondering what's up with me and all that. I want you to come and listen again to the person you supported many years ago. I'm still here and I'm still strong.
The Blue 3 bouncing back. Did it trigger something like in your mind?
I felt so happy. Omairachi. There's a way engage badde balabamu abayimbi abasookawo bavuddeko fetuliko, those kind of things. Not really. Personally, nze kyendi nkimanyi. Tosobola kinzijjako. I know what I have, you can't take it away. I know what Cindy has, you can't take it away. I know what Lillian Babazi has, you can't take it away. Chandiru Namuru hosting her recently from band. She's as powerful as she was. Na hosting Tina Ruli. Anti nkuleetera abayimbi. Henry Tigan, I've been nze band okusinga mpita abo. Because I believe in them. Abo abaana bayimbi ebyaddala. Era bwe naleeta Mariam Tina bangamba Mariam Omujewa, she gave us a very good performance. Embeera tetegeeza nti tebakyayimba. They might not, me not having a hit doesn't take away me being a proper artist or singer. Nyinza okuba ndi muyimbi mulungi naye nga siina hit. Kiba tekikuggyako kuba muyimbi mulungi, kati ekyo abantu kye balina okwawula. Blue 3 yabalagako nti you can't take away real music. You can't. Tosobola kusiimulawo real musician. Era abayimbi bagamba very soon ongambye nti batandise okuzza abayimbi abakadde. Kye bayita okwawula abasajja mu balenzi.
Sarah.
Very soon. No, they're all my friends. We talk. Is it the beauty of it is that abayimbi abasinga bensinkana, they believe in me. Ate nze ndwawo okwogera. When did you last hear me talk about this?
Newe twagendanga ku UPRS toyagala kwogera.
Yes, I don't speak. Naye bwe njogera ekintu. In my life, nagamba ekintu mu bulamu bwange nti nze njogera ekintu kyenja okuddamu enkya. Nga sikyejjusiza. The truth is, excitement nayo nyingi mu industry.
These days.
Yes, there's a lot of excitement. I can release a song ne lukwatirawo second bili. But how good is that song? How long will it last? But guess what? It's going to affect them. That is why fe abayimba ne tuvaawo ate kati mutuzza. Zawede okuba booked 7 times a week nga talina hit kikulaga ki?
Timulina okwechekinga.
Kikulaga ki? How can a singer without a hit
at the moment
be booked 7 times a week? Kiba kikulaga nti kiri kyayina. Maddox omuyita any day, any time. Maddox na Afrigo band doesn't have new songs every day.
But they are booked in and out.
Biggest band in Kampala. Afrigo band bangamba baji booking like 5 months too. Ne mu myezi 5 ezo very booked.
Yeah, true, cause ni naba abantu wale South Africa September baba booking ad.
Does that mean that tuli ku hits oba tuli ku music? Abayimbi be Uganda, it's time you start thinking about you yourself as a real artist, not as a just hit maker.
Okay.
Yeah, because by hit maker tubalabye bangi. Naye n'otuuka enkyanga emikolo egisinga tebajja muyita because agamba olwolimba terujja kukola ki?
Kusuutinga bintu byetugenda mukolo gwaffe.
Then n'osanga nga bazza abayimbi abakadde. Artist gwe nenyumirizamu leti omulala gwe ntunuulira nga mwagala. I think I'm beginning to really like Message Semakula's music. Ngenda ne mpuliriza ennyimba ze zonna nga zirina message. They are deep. Message ne bw'ona omukweka ewantu mu myaka 10 n'omuzza. The guy has kankutendereze ssebo. It's a huge song. The guy fe mu band tusiba tuyimba Siggo Nsiimira. Tell band etakuba Siggo Nsiimira.
Teba band.
Now, are you telling me that Message Semakula is smaller than certain artists?
No.
He's big. he's big but abayimbi abali focused musically bali a bit low profile oje wetegereze tebanyigira bato bange bato bange tebanyigira but you don't have to be all over the place. You don't have to be at every launch. You don't have to be at every place. But you go to places where you're wanted. Last week in Nakasero. The way they received Bingo is mbadde kugamba ndi kamili yaze. Why? Because they had taken long without seeing me. They were like, Sarah, the love they showed me was amazing. Showbiz enaku zino yakyuka, Sarah. Abaana balina okulaga buli kifo nti wendi.
Can I ask you a question? Fenna nga abayimbi tuyimba kukola ki at the end of the day? Church tuyimbya kufunamu. Nze ogenda ne categorizing gigs e Kampala zonna ne concerts e Kampala zonna okundaba n'ogenda ne ninda y'embaga emu ku Sheraton nempa obukadde 5 nze naawe ani abasinga
ow'obutaano of course.
That is why ombuza zawe ngolinga wa sweet 16 nsaga.
So what should they do? Oba wamagezi ki? Kuba showbiz ayitiridde abaana bifaananyi bingi okusinga music.
They should focus. I tell them, sometimes I talk to my friends. Nina wana masimu gabayimbi almost all of them because recently banonda for the band live music representative.
Cool.
Muuma. Yes. Federation, I'm with them. Like nze Saula bayimbi. I'm there. Silly Conti ndi wano I'm there. I talk to these people every other day. Some of my friends, even Hanson, tu izokumalesa wa namba tutogera mugamba chechi dako. You cannot keep around just showbiz. Mu myaka 5, you have to have that song that Ugandans are going to say, wow, omukazi oyo no yayimba oluyimba olwo.
So kyagala tugamba bakola showbiz ne beerabira production yibatekedde okukola mu music.
Right now, ba artists be Uganda bali a bit reluctant. Tufuuse lazy, tuli eno, tubuuka tudde eno.
Nyenga music bamufulumya in every 2 weeks omuntu aba afulumya.
But
is that being reluctant?
Depends. Abamu they're doing well. There are many who are doing well. Naye abamu ziyitako buyisi.
Okay.
Nze naku zino ntandise okwetegereza. Ennyimba ziyitako buyisi. Bwe ngamba okuyitako buyisi, why should I listen to your song today ng'enkya sijjukira title yalo?
Okay.
Why should I listen to your song today ng'enkya nze Zawi eyayimba a song 10 years nobanga omanyi title yalo? How? I found a boy recently, Yangamba, I listened to your song when I was in S3. I told him, oh, that means I'm fit to be your mother. Yangamba, yes. Yangamba, yeah. I felt good. I was like, umana wa early 13 years, waba ajukira oluyimba, nata ajukira luliko. What does that mean? Watuba tujukira nyimba za Paulo Kafero. Kitegeeza ki?
Yeah.
Every artist should sit down and think, luyimba chirwe nina, bana Uganda, waba kutuza ba artist baba naming. Bagambe gundi eno luyimba lwe ono luyimba lwe abayimbi buli omu alinayo oluyimba olwo ng'omuyimbi mu mitima gyaffe naffe naawe oba okimanyi tininayo oluyimba lwange gundi they will never forget me. That is my classic. Nogamba Whitney Houston yayimba I will always love you.
Always love you.
Everyone.
Nakati tukyakola.
Yes. Tumanyi nti Whitney Houston alina ennyimba endala nnyingi, but when you're saying Whitney Houston we hear I will always love you for 100 years. Miriam Makeba. Tumanyi Pata Pata. Yeah? Okay. Saku, that song. Phil Collins omanyi kulimba ki? Nze muyimbi. Yeah, I'm just giving an example.
Yeah, true.
Chameleone ye enyimba ze nyingi tojagamba nti no bano. Nogamba Bobby Wine kale tumanyi akagoma tumanyi. We need that. Tosobola kwera na nyimba 20. That is why nze mbadde ndudde ofulumya ennyimba.
So you bouncing back kino tekikuleta mu direct competition ne bana abaana abato.
I haven't come to compete. I just wanted to my lovers, my fans, mbawe akantu, they deserve it. Bebandeeta. They supported me. Balaba eza witachafulumya takola ki. What happened? So I'm just trying to be like, guys, let me give you this. Tutambulirawo. Maybe next year, in the middle of the year, era mbongere akalala.
Kimanendo okubuuza nti kati tusimbudde era every after when we tunafunayo akapya okuva gy'oli.
Kati nze obuzibu simanyi bya pressure. Nedda toseka. I can't work on pressure. I can't work just because so and so for me zolimba nage. nafuna olimba olubi ate munvume.
I know.
Nzireyo nkabe. Yes. Nzireyo nkabe. I don't see why I should have that competition. Waliwo abayimbi benjagala enkola yaabwe. I think one of them is Rema, Juliana. Teba papa.
Tebeteka ku pressure.
Yes. Teba papa. No mwana atandise okunsanyusa Spice.
Diana.
Yes. Ansanyusa because ayina geja akolamu obuntu bwe mpola mpola naye nga bugenda bukwatayo kamu regular.
City regular.
Yes. Era oluyimba lwekyo tulukola mu live music. Regular. I think every band plays. Omanyi waliwo music ali beautiful nga oyina omukuba mu live music. And those waliwo enyimba omwana bamuteramu, I think bamuteramu live instruments most likely because mpuliramu solo guitars in live. So mulimu abayimbi bendabanga, they are on the right track, they are doing so well. That girl is doing so well.
Okay. So nga tumaliriza, do you think a live band is the way to go?
Not for everyone. Not for everyone. Some performers katika gaba kubi live.
Did you have to break our comeback?
No, because I like his performance.
Hey.
I love his performance. I like his performance. Kabako is perfectly okay with his negundi. Okuja ko mimbi gwe mayinti ye ali meant for life is Bebe Cool. Era Bebe Cool bwa time live akulaga waliwo kibulamu because he's a live band performer. Nina bayimbi be mayinga they are meant for live. If I were Rema Namakula's management, I think she's so good for live.
True.
She should try and get out of this CD thing and go to live music.
Okay. Lydia Jasmine.
She's okay where she is.
Okay.
Yeah, she's okay where she is.
I love it into your honesty. The looks could tell.
Yeah. Lydia Jasmine is very okay where she is. Kaina ngeja ko jikakola mu emitwe yako ka lady yako nkagala nyo. Omuntu gwe nayegagadde omulala agende mu live music is winning nyaje.
But she does.
When I say going into live music, I want her to start carrying a band on her.
Okay.
Winning Nyaji and the band. That's the kind of bebayimbi bempulira that we are cheating them with the CD. Omimbi omulala gwe nali agadde entirely obutalaba ku CD ye Chameleon. He has one of the most powerful vocals for live music in Uganda. One of the most powerful vocals for live music. Mirundi mingi atusalako muzawi band and we get the best time with Chameleon. Omimbi omulala gwe nali agadde Jim live music. Of course, Message is already having his band.
Yeah.
Music wa Message ali awali sweet, aina meaning, already aina band. Omimbi omulala gwe nali agadde agende mu live music ani baweddeyo ba. Of course, Juliana and Irene are. I love them.
No question.
No question. N'abaana wano waliwo abato like actually ndoza mbamazeeyo be nali agadde.
Karona Ndongo.
She would do good at live music, but wali okay because she's young. Achina time.
Ngamba yalitandise kati natuukayo walinga yes.
Bandi si nyangu. Bandi ejamu distractingamu. Wali ali walungi agira anyweza, but asobola okugiranga bwakolayo ku live sessions.
Amelia n'amala.
Sweetheart wangu oyo muleke. Mwesonyiwe. Muleke wali.
Okay.
And then for the boys, era Camille, Bebe, basobola live. They
B2C.
They can if they have the time and seriousness. Basobola ogenda live music because they have the vocals. Of course, abayimbi abalaba Jamal, those are superstars in Henry Tigan. Those are superstars in live music. Maddox is a superstar in live music. Mulimu abayimbi awo waliwo n'omwana this what's his name? I know him by Chameleon. Just steady. He's so beautiful. He does beautiful live music. Then waliwo muyimbi ono omwana gwe bayita Grenade.
Yeah, Grenade official.
Namugamba nali ku Federation one night. Omwana naimba live music.
Grenade.
Beautiful live music. Nemugamba Grenade. Watch to imba ku live music. Nangamba you sure? Nemugamba sound, hear your sound. But yeah, yo buti.
Because Grenade yana atia.
But yeah, time ya live band nene.
Okubajajinga.
No, not that. Time ya live band yoteka munene. Omwana omukwata omuteeke mu rehearsal studio. Fe tutuula mu rehearsals every week. Kati okwate Grenade omugambe jamu mu rehearsals.
Omugambe sawa bbiri ez'okumakya nkwagala mu rehearsals. Yet he sounded nice. Naliyo mu Federation n'empulira nga he sounds so good. Then of course I think Aziz Azion, he's very good at live music.
Nina omwana omuto gwe bayita Fresh Kid. How do you see Fresh Kid? Namulabako ngazemu ayimbye oluyimba lwa GNL Zamba ku show ya Aziz. Chameleone yamuwadde kipepeo. I don't know if you've had that redone.
Sinaba with that redone, but I read about it.
Yes. Abana abo.
I think that boy is so talented. Omwana addamu oluyimba n'alutuuza nga lulina rhythm. Lutuula atuuza ennyimba more than even some artists. That boy is very talented. I pray that his career grows netadde amabega. Simanyi baani bamuliko, but that boy is good. Like bebayita ba extremely good. Fresh Kid is extremely good. Ate ye mwana yekka akola kyakola.
Yeah.
Leave alone waliwo omwana omulala omuwala omuto.
Felista.
Yes. She's also good. Actually, those two are really good. Naye simanyi what plans they have for them musically. I hope and pray nti babatwalirawo ne batabata. They are good, really good. Omwana gwe namuwuliza ne ngamba, what? This is so good.
Okay. Yes. Nga tumaliriza batwemu akapera ka oluyimba olupya title lufuluma sawa meka streams ziriwo abantu bwe baba lulindirira.
Of course oluyimba lugenda fulimiza ku TV zammwe ez'e Kampala, Uganda zonna ze mumanyi. Some bloggers are going to be releasing it too. Ne page yange ku all my social media pages are going to be releasing it. It's going to be premiered on Urban TV.
Yeah, that's today Friday.
It's going to be premiered on YouTube by midnight. Okay. It will be clicking YouTube. And what else?
The title?
Forever.
Forever.
Yes.
Lina writers babiri.
Lina writer go to recognize him because the other writer I've forgotten his name. Yes. But I pray that I recognize him later when I get the name.
Okay.
Yes.
The reproducing la Bawa.
Yes.
Okay. The video.
The video is by Magic Skills.
Magic Skills.
Yes.
Okay. Bawa ya mastering.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Bawa ya mastering.
But wakapera.
Forever njagala nkwagala mmanyi omukwano gw'Ekimerika. Forever love ya fenga ya chikungusi ya bikwanso. Forever njagala nkwanjule bamanye love ya fetegenda. Nze ndiwo kamuli kutabi. Wait for the whole song.
I know. Kati nanga wengambira forever nyaga tubere fena. Nice to have you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bana Urban TV, thank you so much for hosting me. Nafe mutujjukiranga gye tuli.
Why not? Muli bayimbi bafe.
Amina. Gye tuli. Mayi mwagala biriko naye nafe tukomyewo.
Amina.
Bananga, I hope our photo looks